This is a small and very comfortable, very powerful little accordion. If you're looking for something that's good quality and small and powerful, nice reed response, this is a good candidate for you. And in the right hand, there are 30 piano keys. It goes from, let's see, G up to C. Okay. And there are 3 reeds, so you have a low and 2 middles. Let's do the low. Okay, now the middle. Okay, low and middle. And now the 2 middle. Okay, and now everybody. The left hand. Simple. No registers to worry about.